Guys, in this video we are going to take a look at resistors. Resistors can be in series or it can be parallel as well. Now let's look at the difference and how to calculate when the resistors are in series and parallel. So let's say we have two resistors in series. So let's say this is point A and this one is point B, and let's say the resistor here is R1, R2 here, R3 here. The equivalent resistance is basically the addition of all of them. If the resistance are in series, we have to just add them all together to find the equivalent, the total resistance between A to B, point A to point B. That is R1 plus R2 plus R3. And the parallel resistor is, like, let's say we have resistors like this. Let's say this is our point A, this is point B, and let's say this is R1, R2, R3. So the R total for the parallel resistance is going to be 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Okay, so this is the equivalent resistance. And when we have current flow through the series resistance, the current is going to be same everywhere. So let's say if the current here is I1, this is I2, I3, then we can say that I1 is equal to I2 and that is equal to I3, because when it is series, the current is same everywhere. But in the parallel, it's going to be different. Like, the current can be flowing from this direction or this direction or this direction, so it can choose whichever the part. Usually it choose the least resistant part, but it can flow this way or this way or this way. Okay, so it's not going to be the same as this one. Okay, so let's look at some examples. So let's say here we have a resistance from point A to point B. The resistance is equal to R is equal to 10 ohm resistance. Let's say this is 10 ohm resistance. We can increase the resistance by adding them in series. So to increase the resistance, we have to just put them in series. So this is going to be like, if we have 10 ohm, 10 ohm, then the total resistance between point A to point B is going to be 20 ohm resistance. But to decrease the resistance, we have to put them in parallel. Like let's say this is 10 ohm and this is 10 ohm. Now this is point A, point B. The equivalent resistance is going to be let's say R total, that is 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. Okay, so that is equivalent to, like, if you add them together. So this is, oh, I forgot to do one more thing. This is we had to put an inverse for this. So this is 1 over 10, 1 over 10, so there's 2 over 10, and this one, there should be an inverse, so which means 10 over 2, that is 5 ohm resistance. You know, you can, when you have two resistors only, you can do the product over sum as well. Product is 10 times 10 divided by 10 plus 10, so that is 100 over 20, which is also equal to 5 ohm resistance. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on